So this is the sewer smoke, and I'm letting the camera rest right before we submerge into water. See how fast the water drains out. I'll turn the bathroom sink that I have running off. And we'll sit for about 20 to 30 seconds and see if we have